To set up password on any application in the Samsung S26, the only way to do that, just start by opening the settings. And right now you have to scroll down and navigate into security and privacy settings. Next, we have to go below for more security settings and we have to select secure folder. Secure folder will actually allows us to hide applications, copy them, but also set a password. So click continue. Now, as you can see, we can find this information that we can lock our apps in the secure folder. We can even hide secure folder. We can hide files. So it's super advanced feature, really useful. And in this step, we have to select our password. So in my case, I just want to pick a simple pattern just to show you how it looks. We have to input this 2 times, the same password, click confirm, and now you can allow lock reset with a Samsung account if you forget how to unlock the secure folder. Now we have to click next. I can recommend you to select that option, close all apps while locked. Click done and take a look. Right now, if I want to lock, for example, my gallery, okay, gallery is already here. So maybe if I want to clone my Instagram, I have to click on the plus. I have to go for Instagram. I have to click add. It will be here. And now I have to go for my Instagram account over here and log out. And then by going to the secure folder, I have to log into my account. And thanks to this, if someone actually grab my phone and enter for Instagram, they will be surprised because there will be no any account. But if I'm going to open my secure folder with a password that I only know, I can get access into my account. But also remember to change another option here by clicking on the 3 dots. You have to go for option for settings, and we have to go for auto lock secure folder and make sure that it will be selected when screen turns off. So now it will be automatically turned off. But also, if you want to do this manually, you have to do this like me, just lock and exit, and it will be gone. And that's how we can actually do that